Hi guys, I'm here at the Ford dealership and trying to stay away from the salesman. Looking at the prices of the trucks, the used ones and the new ones, they're absolutely insane. I mean, there's prices there for old ones, some years old, 35,000 for an XLT miles. I also saw brand new F-150 for 78,000, which most of that, no, I think it was 68,000. Anyway, 68,000 is high enough. Most of this was options. A little bit more, you can get a platinum already, so it's absolutely insane. Now if you got a loaded one, then you can go up to easily over $90,000 for the truck. So this here is a little different. Look at that Bronco. It's the full-size Bronco. It's the short one with 2 doors, and something very unusual. It's like a bare stock base model. It has steel wheels. I haven't seen those for a long time on a new vehicle, and it's for sale brand new for 36,000. So that's almost a good deal, you know, compared to all the other vehicles, trucks or whatever. It's so expensive. There's a more better equipped one, but this one here, I mean, if I was in the market for something like that, I might buy that, but I'm not in the market for it. I have no use for it, but if I was, I would. So have a look at it and enjoy.